Welcome to Odom Homestead down here in the Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Today I'm just coming at you with a quick one. This is Happy Springmas. Yeah, I got some seeds in the mail from a fellow content creator, Rio Family Garden. I do appreciate it. I was going to open it with y'all, which I already know what's in here because I already took a peek. There's some seeds. This one is some golden summer crookneck squash. Yes, sir. And these is some strawberries. See that? White soul. Ooh, ain't never even heard of them before. You know, I'm gonna try them out. They from Baker's Creek. They're heirloom seed. Start indoors 4 to 8 weeks prior to last frost. Barely cover lightly with soil. Do not allow soil to dry out or direct sow about time of last frost. All right. And I did get some more seeds. I don't even know what they are. Don't know who they come from. The letter just got T on it. It's got the return address and a T on the top. But I don't know who it is, but I appreciate it. I wish I knew what kind of seeds they were. But I thank you. I thank you very much. And happy Springmas to everyone. I appreciate the kind gestures. And I will return the favor. I'm trying to look in here. No. See right. Happy Springmas on the back. And what is that? Gardening season close. Yeah. So I thank you, Rio Family Garden. Thank you. Thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate all the likes and subscribes and all the people that tunes in. And tune in for Get It Off Your Chest Thursday. Every Thursday at 8 p.m. Central. Y'all have a blessed day. Grows my passion. Odom.